Your Life and Sex Island, Chapter 5, Picking Up the Tab, page 111. My intention when I began writing this chapter was to begin concentrating on the earmarks and show how they were really slavery because they, our employees in Washington, D.C., take our money and give it to another private person or corporation. And then I would show how the farm program was similar, and then expand to show how almost all government expenditures were similar, giving your money and my money to another private person, which is the essence of slavery. The recipients earn their daily bread by the sweat of our brow, and it would have been no problem, I believe, to demonstrate that it was a quid pro quo, a dollar for a donut hole. If you paid $100,000 to buy a congressman or a president, you didn't just get to sleep in Lincoln's bed, you also got a $20 billion contract. But I have been preempted. The news has been, if not dominated, then suffused with articles about the abuse of earmarks. Federal budgets for the last 5 or 10 years have more earmarks than all of the pillows in this kingdom. Earmarks at first were hotly defended by the worst perpetrators, then less so and less so until finally denial, and now we seldom hear about them at all. I don't do it, me neither. The battle may not be on hold, Joshua may have lowered his arms, but I get no joy in chasing the enemy and striking at his back or shooting an arrow into his horse's rump or walking over the battlefield killing wounded enemy. Let us find a new enemy to fight, and unlike the cowardly neocons, a real enemy, engage him personally and in his face. I shall take a new tack, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. I shall determine who pays what. Not just the income tax, wherefore the payers are, I presume, well known and can be easily determined and quantified. Which class pays how much of which tax? Who pays the excise taxes, liquor, gasoline, telephone, luxury, etc.? Who pays city, county, and state taxes, personal property, real estate taxes, sales taxes, state and local income taxes? Who really pays what percentage? Who is really taxed? Stay tuned. I expect to be surprised. If everything turns out as I now expect, or if it turns out to be as the professional liars, the guppies in the think tanks, claim, then I shall not find that to be sufficiently interesting to present to myself and to you, and I will delete this chapter. So, if you are hearing this, I have been surprised. Purchase the book now by clicking on the link in the description below.